The shocking sinking of a luxury yacht in Sicily's waters. A tornado, likely a waterspout, sank the Bayesian superyacht off Sicily's coast. Carrying 22 people, including entrepreneur Mike Lynch, the yacht capsized during extreme winds. Experts note waterspouts can produce winds up to 125 miles per hour, causing sudden disasters. While common in the Mediterranean, waterspouts rarely lead to fatalities, but caution is vital. Meteorologists warned of severe weather, with conditions ripe for intense storms and winds. Stay informed and subscribe for more updates on extreme weather events.